Hey everybody, this is Andrew from the Culips English podcast, and today I want to teach you the expression to throw in the towel. To throw in the towel. I think there's times in life where everyone wants to quit doing what they're doing, right? It could be your job, could be pursuing a hobby, could be training or exercising, who knows? Something that you're doing that you just want to stop doing. You want to throw in the towel. You want to quit. Okay, so this idiomatic expression, to throw in the towel, means to quit. Okay, but don't throw in the towel with your English studies. Okay, keep studying with us. We will help you get better at English. Thanks for watching this 1-minute English lesson, and I will see you next time. Bye.